Flashing lights, and it ain't no disco. Okay, I'm happy that the front end's going to go together. However, I don't want to leave the panels on because there's a lot more bodywork to do and I don't want them to get damaged. Plan for today then is to repair this little bit here, which is above the toe board and the bulkhead. Seems to have rusted out where they join. And bizarrely enough, obviously somebody's got a heavy right foot because the accelerator pedal mounts seem to have pulled out. So a cutting disc on my angle grinder has chopped those bits out. Now all I need to do is drill out the spot welds with my spot weld drill bit. Bugger. It looks like the battery for my drill is broken. Great. Oh well. Let's find another job to do. Passenger side A panel. That's on the to-do list. The actual panel itself seems okay, except on the flap or the flange that gets folded over, there's a little bit of corrosion, and that's only going to get worse. So best chop it off. Well, I've never had to do this before. In fact, I've never owned a Mark III, Winnie with wind-up windows before. It's always been 1 and 2s. And people tell me all you have to do is run a grinder along the edge and it opens it up and you can take it off. Well, hey, look at that. It works. But hang on, it still won't come off. Belt and braces. The last person that fitted this A panel thought, I know, I'll stick some spot welds, or plug welds rather. That'll stop the A panel from coming off. Yeah, it has. I can't get it off because my drill doesn't work. Yep, right now the weather matches my mood. Okay, job number 3, and this doesn't involve a drill. Finally, a job I can do. Well, I don't actually have a lot of time to work on the Mini, between having a job and a life at home. So a couple of hours a week is all I really get. So it's kind of frustrating when I can't do the jobs that I want to do. But it's all progress in the right direction. However, the good thing is we did go to the Bingley Indoor Mini Show. It was great fun. We picked up some good bits for Bernie. Click on this link to watch the whole video.